Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing on here. If you don't like those things, leave. Because here I come in 3, 2... Oh, what? Bang! Oh, here I am. Bang, guys. Hello, everyone. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Bang! We have a great show for you today. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. We have a great show. You saw I pulled out the list. Whenever you see me go, you saw the list? Here comes another country. But let's just do this in order, like civilized gentlemen, all right? Let's just be civilized about this whole thing. Let's just be civilized. Look. Man, brothers, like I am so serious. Fucking, I did not know. You guys know May, June, July is when I'm saying, you know, we're gonna get going. Like in terms of like real nice, we should be seeing earnings. Man, I didn't know all these countries were gonna come like this. Like I had no idea. You know what I mean? Like, oh man, it's ruthless, and it's not stopping because here comes another one. Oh, shit, boys. It's juicy, too. It's juicy. So let's proceed with the show in a civilized manner. So, story number 1. Bang! Ethereum 2.0. What you need to know. I'm going to tell you. Now, I'm not going to get too techie with it, man. You know, if you love the techie, I have all the links to every single story that I tell you guys in the description of the videos. So if you really want to know, like I just got to know about the whatever it is, head on in there, guys. Shamari's got you. Now, remember and this is what's important. So remember, what was it, yesterday, right? Right. Or was it the day before? Anyway, whatever. Oh, yeah. Anyways, you guys know how it goes. Remember, it wasn't the day before. It was a little while. Remember, China gave their people the... Okay, so, bang. China every month comes out with its cryptocurrency rankings of which cryptocurrency is the best in terms of blah, 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 blah. I don't remember all the categories. I'll read them to you when we get there. And so, also, here's something. Tron hodlers, bang, you've entered the top, bang, China crypto cat ratings. But this is what I really want to bring down to you. Do you see what I'm saying? China, right? They made them, remember we read the story the other day? China told their people to read that book about how to invest in crypto. And then they keep coming out with this top, 2010. I don't know what the number is, but cryptocurrencies out there. You see what I'm saying? They're getting their people geared up. Just like Justin Williams said. Remember the thing Justin said? He said, yeah, China is getting its people ready. Excuse me. My listing fell, man. I can't have the list. It's precious. Look, my precious. All right. So, right? And that's what they're doing. They're getting their people ready and educated so they can be successful in their investment, right? If you go back to, I don't know, man, it might be like the 3rd, 4th, 5th show in here. I think when we were hard forking something, and I was like, why don't the governments tell their people about hard forks? Like, why don't the governments teach their people about crypto and like, look, get hard forks? And then you know how I have my stories. I made some crazy story about, I'd have my security officials out in the streets, and if some kid was out there, be like, what the hell are you doing out here? We're waiting for the hard fork. Think of your mother and children. You guys know how I get. But anyways, guys, so, all right, hold it. We're going to get to the stories. All right, let's go. All right, here we go, sons of bitches. Here we go. Yes, my friends. What are you looking at? My name is Vladimir Putin. And look, I run Russia. And you know what I say? I want fucking cryptocurrency regulations by July 2019, or some heads are gonna roll. Bang! Yes, brothers. Vladimir Putin said it. July 2019, he says, look. You know, I am Vladimir. I am Mr. Putin. You will make me crypto regs, or I will crush your skull. Yo, we have Russians around here. Yo, man, we have Russians around here. We were drinking with this girl one night in here. She's Russian. She was like, Vladimir Putin, he's the best president ever. He's so strong. He's so great. Like, they Russians, they love this motherfucker, dudes. Kind of like Trump people here. Yo, they love him. So look, and look. But it is true. He is strong. Whatever he says goes in Russia. He said July 2019, bang, coming with the crypto rag. So let's get on how we get on. We've been talking a minute here, and let's get on, bang, and let's do a little bit of bang, and let's get on with this program here, boys. We got some shit to talk about. We got some money to talk about. Bang. All right. Top 10 of the day: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Stellar, Tron, Binance Coin, the usual suspects. Let's look at our overall earnings of the day. Bang. As you can see, we are ranging tightly again. Tightly like a 14-year-old. You know what? Bang. So, single digits up to single digits down, brothers. Single digits up to single digits down. That's how we're rolling today. Single digits up to single digits down. Oh, man. Single digits up to single digits down. All right, let's see who made money today, brothers, if anybody. Oh, my bad. Let's see what's on sale today. If anything in here good, you go get it. Go on and get it. Go get it. Not much of a sale around these parts. Not much of a sale around these parts today. Hey, hoss. Look, brothers. Bang. Top 10 losers of the day. Decentraland, Revain, ARK, Bitcoin SV, Alpha, Veritasium, Holo, Crypto.com, Golem, and Populous. Bang. That's who made money today. Yes. Oh, look at this. Oh, this ABBC shit again. Right? Didn't we rock that just the other day? Right? Wasn't that shit that was like at 300 and something %? I guess they were really serious about it. I wonder what the fuck that shit does. That's stupid. All right, brothers. Look. Top 10 earners of the day. ABBC Coin, Raven Coin, Nexo, Quant, Steam, Aurora, Eternity, PundyX. Oh, and PundyX came out with a new cell phone today. Bang. Basic Attention and Icon. I was actually going to do a story about that. Electronium and PundyX both this week came out with cell phones. And, yeah, but I mean, I have better stories for you. That'll make you money. Don't worry about it. You know what I mean, guys? I'm here to make you the money. But I do like that technology stuff, you know? Like, I like those stories, you know? A phone. Like, I like, you know what I mean? Coming out with some hardware. That's what I mean. That's what I'm trying to say. I like it when I hear these crypto companies, like, do you know VeChain has hardware, right? There's actual, like, VeChain IoT devices you can buy. Hardware. You know, not that I'm dissing software, which are what blockchains are, but just, you know, something you can hold, right? You can hodl in your hands, right? And so that's what's cool about IOTA, right? Fujitsu is making all those IoT devices. Yeah, with IOTA in it, right? You can hodl it. Hodl that device, whatever it does. Right? All right, brothers, let's go. Anyways, hodl. Look. Market cap of the day, 130 billion. Not bad at all. 27 billion. 24-hour volume. A little bit over yesterday. Not bad at all. Now let's get to some stories because I really want to get to Russia. Yes. I want to talk to Comrade Vladimir, who's bringing in the cryptocurrency. Yes, Russia, we will step up to the plate. We have whales. We have oligarchs. We have oil. We will do what we have to make the money. My name is Vladimir, and we will have crypto. Yes? So let's get there, brothers. Bang! Ethereum 2.0, everything you need to know. All right. Let's tell you about the Ethereum 2.0. Bang, bang, bang. Ethereum 2.0 is the potential update to Ethereum to make it faster and better. Bang! Potential updates deal with the current scaling issues. Issues with mining. Oh, that's right. All right, let me calm down because actually this is good. Issues with mining to make transactions faster and create a better environment for smart contracts and more. Ethereum's launch was initially planned to be in 4 stages back when it launched in 2015. The stages are the Frontier stage, bang, the Homestead stage, bang, the Metropolis stage, bang, and the Serenity stage. Bang. Now, we are on the third stage of Ethereum. We are in the Metropolis stage. So it looks like they looked. Anyway, whatever. Metropolis consists of two phases: Byzantium and Constantinople. The new system-wide upgrade for the Ethereum network, called as Constantinople, is nearing. The activation of Constantinople is expected to take place at block number 7,280,000. This upgrade is also known as New Ethereum Software version 3.5. The next stage, Serenity, is known as Ethereum 2.0. All right, so that seems to be where they all want to go. Serenity. Blah, 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 blah. Techie, proof. All right, so look, it's a proof of work thing. If you love the techie, read it. It's proof of work. Well, they're going to move to proof of stake. Bang. Sharding. That's a bunch of little things making all the calculations. And then once the calculations are made, they send it to the main net. If you're really into techie, read it. Security. It's going to be the best thing ever. I didn't even read that one. And the road ahead. All right, we'll read this. So here's the road ahead for Ethereum. Ethereum hodlers. The next system, I'm a hodler. Don't worry about it. I got my shit waiting. I've been waiting for this upgrade. I got my Ledger Nano out of the flipping, what do you call that? My safety deposit box. And I've had these Ethereum sitting on Binance for like 3 months. I'm getting afraid, man. Let me get these things off of here. So let's hurry up. All right, guys. So the next system-wide upgrade is Ethereum version 3.5, also known as Constantinople. It is expected at the end of February 2019. After this, there are two more updates, which will happen before Serenity. One is Casper Proof of Stake and Hybrid Proof of Work Proof of Stake, POS. Then comes the Beacon Chain and Sharding. If the Ethereum project successfully implements these upgrades, then Serenity comes next. All right. So Serenity is the Holy Grail, I guess, whatever you want to call it. The promised land for Ethereum. Serenity is an upcoming major upgrade that creates a proof of stake chain that combines, here we go with this crap, that creates the above ideas, proof of stake, sharding, etc., into a new chain that would be fully compatible with the existing proof of work chain. Serenity will run on a pure proof of stake consensus protocol. This scaling and mining solution would not only partly change the way Ethereum is mined, but also will make way to allow the network to do faster transactions and thus would create a better environment for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Bang, better smart contracts. Bang, better dApps. Bang, all right. In theory, Serenity could increase scalability by as much as 1,000 times. Whoa. Well, now you're talking. Then Ethereum 1.0. So, Ethereum hodlers, just hold on. Look, Ethereum holders. Look, I'm an Ethereum hodler. You don't even have to worry about Ethereum. It's already labeled a commodity. You're going to make money regardless. But if you're still into the techie, if you really care about the techie of Ethereum, well, there it is. Looks like it's going to still do some stuff. All right. Bang. Look. Oh, this is the Chinese thing. Yes. Oh, let me get fueled. So, we did it last year a few times, right? Every month, China. All right. So, if you're new here, let me bring you back. Let me work you back through what's been going on. Last year, China banned cryptocurrency. You can't buy it. You can't sell it. You can't use it. No exchange could do anything on it, right? But then what was weird was we noticed last summer, China would come out with this monthly cryptocurrency. Here it is, right? The crypto rating index. And I'm like, well, if you don't want your people to flip and buy this stuff, why are you rating them? Like, what is that? Were you teasing your people? Like, haha, look at these great companies. Oh, but you can't buy any. And so it was my theory that what I think China is doing is crypto is so new to them, they pushed out crypto until they could get their minds around it, until they could wrap their minds around it. And, China's a one-party system. So you can't have people getting ripped off and stuff, because then people blame you, right? The one party, and so they slowed it down and they said, look, and they looked at all the cryptos. And so they actually come up with a list every month of what they think are the best cryptos. Now, their people can't buy crypto yet. But let me tell you, the other day we read here that China told their people to go buy a how to invest in cryptocurrency book. A book. Yeah, like their TV. It's not like you're an ITV. We can watch whatever the fuck we want. They have like government controlled TV. And their government controlled TV told their people, go buy this book, How to Invest in Cryptocurrency. Like literally that was the name. In other words, now the people of China understand. Oh, our government's about to give us this stuff. And so what that means for us is be fucking happy, be super happy. And when is it going to happen? I don't know, but the fact that they have a crypto rating index and that they're telling their people to buy this stuff, to read a book about how to buy and how to invest in, tells me not much longer now. So, bang! Let's check it out, brothers. China's Center for Information and Industry Development, the CCID, just released its latest crypto ratings index. The list features Tron for the first time. Tron hodlers, bang! Which debuts in the number 2 spot after EOS and ahead of Ethereum. And don't worry, there's a list here. I have the list right here. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has moved up 2 spots to number 13 on the list, ahead of a long line of coins including Stellar, XRP, Monero, Cardano, IOTA, and Litecoin. The government-sponsored lists ranks the top cryptocurrencies according to their performance on their basic tech. Also, these are the categories. On their tech, their applicability, and creativity. So here's how it works. So here it is. This is the actual one. Like, so you see down here, excuse me, that's the actual index. So you see Tron made it in this month. It's the first time for them. They're ranked number 2. So here's the rankings. And then basic tech, they say EOS is number 1, I guess. Applicability, creativity, and then your total number. So that's how it works. That's the name of your stuff. All right, and then so EOS, Tron, Ethereum, GX Chain, BitShares, Ontology, Nulls, Lisk, Steam, and Neo round off the number 10, the top 10. And then you can see Bitcoin, Nebula, Stellar, Komodo, blah, blah, blah. Go down here to the, hold on, how long are we going down here? All right, so number 35. All right, so we got 35. So China is pushing blockchain technology in a big way by supporting companies that want to utilize the emerging technology. Remember, we've read about VeChain, what they're doing. VeChain has over 18 partnerships with the Chinese government. Like, nice. They love it, man. I read that story last September, October. The Chinese government gave the Communist Party members, every single one of them, a book about blockchain, telling them how they're going to implement it. All right? China is going full blockchain. However, and this is the thing, the country is maintaining its hard line on domestic cryptocurrency trading and shutting down local exchanges, or after shutting down local exchanges in 2017. That's what I mean. They shut them all down. They went nuts. They were just like, look, what the hell is this stuff? Bang, they shut them all down. But now I believe they're opening up again. Like, now that they've got their minds around what the hell's going on, right? They're like, okay. All right. And, they're telling their people, all right, read about this stuff. And they're going to allow their people to start investing in this stuff. I'm sure a limited amount of coins, probably only what the coins are on their list here. You know what I mean? In other words, this list to me says this is the Chinese government seal of approval, right? You see that list right there. That says to me, Chinese government seal of approval. And, yeah, and that's how they're going to do their thing. I think. We'll see. We'll see. That's all we can do. So, bang. Oh, here comes Vladimir Putin. My name is Vladimir. I run Russia. All right, Vladimir. Bang. Oh, and you hear you see what the word says. Holy orders. You know how it goes over there. That's how it goes down in Russia. They might have elections, but you know who runs that shit. Vladimir Putin. Bang. So that's it, guys. We're going to, hold on. So let me add to the list. Hold on. So yesterday we read the UK. So we know that the UK is coming this summer. And we read India. They have 4 weeks. Right? So I put them on the, so you see on this side, those are the countries that already have come in. On this side are the countries that we're waiting for, right? So we have the UK we're waiting for, India we're waiting for, and now Mother Russia. Yes, Vladimir. We're waiting for Vladimir to bring the money from the oligarchs. Yes. Yes, brothers. Here it comes. Oh, and these Russians don't play. There's some greedy sons of bitches. But let's go. Russian president. Oh, yes. Let me get fueled. Look at this son of a bitch. Look at him with his shades. Yes, bad boy Vlad. Bad Vlad. It is bad Vlad. He owns our president. Naughty, naughty Vlad. As long as he doesn't fuck up my trading around here, yeah, I'll be good. I'll be good. You can control this fucker all you want. I'm just kidding. I'm just bullshitting you guys. I'm sorry. I don't take kindly to that behavior. I don't take kindly to that behavior at all. Or messing with our elections or anything. I'm a patriot. I'm just saying, you know, it ain't all that bad yet. All right, guys, let's get out of that crap. Look, Russian President Vladimir Putin has issued another deadline for the government to adopt regulations for the digital asset industry. Oh, he has issued it. You see how it says? Bang, issued. Look, I love the word. Bang. You see what I'm saying? Like a general. Here in America, our presidents, you know, they request Congress to do something, and then whenever those lazy fucks get around to it, they do it. Not in Russia, buddy. Yo, you have been issued an order from Comrade Vladimir. Bang. Yup. Give him the deadline for the government to adopt crypto regulation for the digital asset industry. According to instructions, you have been instructed. Look, I love the language. Yo, those are like those Indian, those Indian judges from last night. Said, look. You got 4 weeks, bitches. Go get those done. You've been instructed, boy. So, according to instructions for the Federal Assembly, the document was published on the official website of the President of Russia, Kremlin, on February 27th. But, according to the document, President Putin has ordered the government, not asking. He hasn't proposed to the government. He hasn't proposed legislation. He hasn't, floated out ideas. Hopefully the Duma and their higher chamber the Duma is the lower chamber of the House in Russia. Hopefully the Duma will get around it. No. That's not how it works in Russia. Bang. He's ordered the government to enforce crypto-related regulations by when? And he gave him a date. Oh, just like those fucking Indian. Just like the Indian judges. Yo, do you see how serious shit is? I told you, whales around the world are getting on their people. Yo, there's deadlines coming up. The Indian judges said 4 weeks. Look, we got 4 weeks for you. You do it or we'll do it. Look, Vladimir said, look. You got till July 1st, son. What day is it today? 2/28, last of February. So let's say March, April, May, June, July. All right, so he's been a little bit more merciful than those Indian judges. Oh, the Indian judges only gave 4 weeks. That's right, not 4 months. They only gave 4 weeks. Vladimir's giving him 5 months, though. So he's a merciful overlord. He's a merciful overlord. He will give them 5 months, 20 weeks. I love this. Yeah, man. Bring us our money. Bring us our money, Vladimir. Come on, buddy. The president has required the Council of the Federation of Russia and the lower house of the Federal Assembly of Russia, the State Duma, the lower house, to adopt regulations during the spring session of 2019. So as the Duma session goes on, he's telling them, I want rules and regs, baby. I want rules and regs by the time this shit's over. Some heads are going to roll. Specifically, the document requires, specifically, let's slow down and get into it, what it's all about. Specifically, the document requires the adoption of federal legislation that aims to develop the digital economy. Bang, rules by the legislation, the lawmakers. Nice. Including, regulation of civil law digital settlements. In other words, what ways for the citizens, if they have a problem with an exchange or something, they can have, like here in America, we have the FDIC. If an exchange fucks around, I can sue them. Well, that's getting my money back. But I think a way for them to sue to get their money back, civil law, settlements. The legislation should also include a regulatory framework for digital financial assets. Obviously, all the full regulation. You know, what's going to be an ETF, what's going to be a futures, what's going to be a 401k, what's going to be all that. As well as attract greater financial resources based on digital technologies. Great, whatever that means, liquidity. I guess the recent instruction by President Vladimir Putin echoes his previous statement in 2018 when he ordered the government, So apparently he ordered them to do this already, and they fucked around. So check this out. The recent instruction by President Putin, echoes his previous statement in 2018 when he ordered the government to set up regulations for the trade of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, initial coin offerings, and crypto minings by July 2018. So he told these fuckers to do this last year, but check this out. The Russian parliament passed crypto legislation in its first reading in May 2018. However, in autumn, all crypto and token-related terms had been eventually replaced with the term digital rights, while the definition of crypto mining was also cut out from the bill. As such, because you got to rewrite stuff. When you pass a law, the words matter, right? You can't just change the words of a law. You know, when you pass a law, the words matter. There is, you may do so-and-so, or you shall do so-and-so. May and shall are big deals in law. If you understand that. I know you lawyers out there, you understand what I'm saying. All right? As such, Russia's crypto regulation bill was sent back to start over again to the first reading stage in December 2018. Now, recently, Russian financial outlet Rambler reported that the Russian State Duma plans to review and adopt new cryptocurrency regulations in March. So, they're going to review it in March, and you saw what Vladimir said. He said, look. I'm going to need that shit by July, son. Look at him with his shades. He said, look. Look at that guy. When he says like that, look at him. Look. Look at him, look. I'm going to need those crypto regulations by July, B. Bang! Yes. That's how he rolls. And blah, blah, blah. That last sentence is a bunch of bullshit. So look at this pimp, man. Bang! He said, look. I'm going to need some shit by July. Bang! So, guys, we can put, yes, we have Russia on the waiting list, right? So we have the list that's here, and then with a waiting list right there. So we have a little waiting list, but that waiting list is strong. The UK, bang. India, bang. Oh, and Russia, bang. Russia, they have a lot of space, and it's a big country, but their money, they don't have that much money there. I'm not going to lie to you. But, look. It's good stuff right there. That's good stuff. So, bang, let's get out shout-outs and airdrops. Get you back to your wives and lives and shill it and kill it. Bang. Look. Let's do it. Oh, look at my whole army lined up right there in the top row. Bang! The darkness. Justin, see you, brother. Bang! DP Entertainment, see you, brother. Bang! Yes, the Hurricane Master, see you, brother. Bang! Bill, Bob, 844-130, see you, brother. Bang! What's this one? The Crypto Times, see you, brother. Bang! Rad Star. Bang! Hodl. All right, that's just the name Hodl. Hodl. Be more, be Hodl. All right, buddy. Bang! Nice one. Poppy Wood. Bang! See you, brother. We got, this son of a bitch. Try to run for me again. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. What we got? John. AH. Just another investor hoping to do things differently than I did last bull run. Long Bitcoin, short the bankers. Well, I wouldn't short those bankers, buddy, because they're the ones that are going to make you this money, but long Bitcoin, bang, brother. Wise choice, buddy. Good to see you around these parts. Looks like the usual suspects. Oh, there's Madman Edwin. Bang. Who do we got here? Best coin. Bang. Yes, best coin. Best coin. We're the best coin. Oh. Trini Crypto, see you, girl. Bang. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Yes, indeed. So, guys, you had a good show today. Ethereum 2.0. Bang, here it comes. All good. I mean, I'm not going to bullshit you. I really don't give a shit about their upgrades and all that. I mean, they still have to obviously, battle and do all that, but they're already a commodity here. So when these guys, bang, when the institutional investors get here, that's all that's going to matter for that. But good for Ethereum hodlers and lovers and enthusiasts. All right, China. I told you guys. So the story today was just that China gave out its new ratings. And I wanted to just tie that into the story that we did the other day about China. In that, guys, it's coming. China is about to come online. They made their people read the book. They keep giving them this ratings every month. I mean, what are you doing that for? There's going to be a slow, steady rollout of crypto in China. I think so. For both the retail and institutional investor. We will see, and I'll keep my eye on it. And then, bang, Russia. Vladimir. Yes. Vladimir is going to bring the crypto. What do you know about that, my friend? Yes, what do you know about that, my friend? Well, all I know is Vladimir said, I want some crypto regs by July, or some heads will roll. Bang! So, brothers, luck. Subscribe below. I mean, not you guys. You guys are already here. You new people, subscribe below. Bang, press the bell. Bang, yes. I love doing this for you. It's my favorite time of the day. You know what I mean? Just watch the money, look at the money. Love doing it all. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm always on duty. Bang, my name's Shamari Clark. Bang. Over and out.